Achieving $1 million in e-commerce sales within a year, a comprehensive guide. In today's digital age, e-commerce offers unparalleled opportunities for entrepreneurs to reach a global audience and achieve significant sales milestones. Many e-commerce enthusiasts strive to generate $1 million in sales within just 1 year. While this might seem like an ambitious target, with careful planning, strategic execution, and a solid dedication to your business, it's entirely attainable. This video outlines a comprehensive guide to help you realize this dream and achieve $1 million in e-commerce sales in just 1 year. Market research and product selection. The foundation of any successful e-commerce venture is a well-researched market and a product that resonates with your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify trends, gaps, and customer preferences. Look for niches that have a high demand and a relatively low level of competition. Your chosen product should solve a problem or fulfill your potential customers' needs, ensuring its viability in the market. Business blueprint and business model. A solid business blueprint and business model are crucial for setting a clear direction for your e-commerce venture. Outline your business model, value proposition, customer segments, key partnerships, key activities, and resources. Develop a detailed business blueprint that includes your cost structure, revenue streams, and profit margins. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your entire journey. E-commerce platform selection. Choose the right e-commerce platform that aligns with your business model and goals. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable designs, and essential tools for managing inventory, orders, and customer relationships. Build a professional online store. Your online store's design and functionality play a significant role in attracting and retaining customers. Create an appealing, user-friendly website that reflects your brand identity. Ensure your website is mobile responsive, loads quickly, and offers a seamless shopping experience. High-quality product listings. Craft compelling product descriptions and use high-quality images to showcase your products. Provide detailed information about each product's features, benefits, and usage. Incorporate persuasive language that encourages customers to make a purchase. Effective marketing strategies. Driving traffic to your online store is essential for generating sales. Implement a mix of online marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and product listings for relevant keywords to improve organic search visibility. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with your audience, share engaging content, and run targeted ads. Content marketing. Create valuable blog posts, videos, or other content related to your products or industry to establish authority and attract visitors. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters, promotions, and product updates to keep customers engaged. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience and build credibility. Customer experience and retention. Provide exceptional customer service to enhance the overall shopping experience. Offer various payment options, hassle-free checkout, and transparent shipping and return policies. Implement a loyalty program to encourage repeat purchases and customer referrals. Data analysis and optimization. Regularly analyze your e-commerce analytics to identify trends, assess your marketing efforts, and understand customer behavior. Adjust your strategies based on your insights, optimizing your approach for maximum results. Scaling your operations. As your sales grow, be prepared to scale your operations to meet demand. This next step might involve increasing your inventory, expanding your team, or optimizing your supply chain for efficiency. Achieving $1 million in e-commerce sales within a year requires meticulous planning, relentless dedication, and strategic execution. By conducting thorough market research, selecting the right product, implementing effective marketing strategies, and providing outstanding customer experiences, you can position yourself for success in the competitive world of e-commerce. Remember that patience, adaptability, and a willingness to learn from successes and challenges are vital to reaching your sales milestone. Your e-commerce venture can transform into a thriving $1 million success story with the right approach and a focused mindset.